In this video, I'll show you how to do a C-roll, which looks like this. If you know how to do a chest roll, then think of a C-roll as a modified chest roll. The hoop rolls across your chest from one hand to the other. I'll show you how to do this move using my right hand first. Take the bottom of the hoop in your right hand. It can be helpful to leave your index finger extended for extra stability. Move your wrist up and down. The wrist movement will help give the hoop momentum to roll across your body. Bring your arms close together so they are extended about 30 to 45 degrees from your center. You will release the hoop on the up wrist motion when you feel the hoop on your forearm. Here's a slowed view from the side. The hoop will naturally want to roll smoothly along your arm, your chest, and your other arm to the left hand. It is imperative to release the hoop when you feel it on your forearm. I lean my upper torso back similar to a chest roll. It can also be helpful to lift your arm up higher to use gravity to help move the hoop from one side to the other. Practice the release a few times. Alright, that slow-mo wasn't the best example, but as long as you release the hoop when it's on your forearm, it should roll smoothly across your chest to the other arm and hand. Since you tried it with your right hand, time to try it with your left hand. Hold the bottom of the hoop with your left hand. Index finger can be extended along the hoop. Move your arms together so they're about 30 to 45 degrees from the center. Use your wrist to move the hoop up and down, and when the hoop is on your forearm, you will release the hoop and it will roll across your chest to the right arm and hand. Here's the move again, but slowed down. Give the hoop momentum with the wrist and release the hoop as it touches your forearm. You can raise your arm up high to use gravity to help move the hoop across your arms and body. Either way really works though. Whether you have your arms lower or higher, the important thing is to release your grip as the hoop touches your forearm. I mean, you can even move your whole arm up as you release the hoop, almost like a follow-through motion. There are clearly tons of variations for this C-roll, but as long as the hoop makes it from point A to point B, you are good. I'll now show you a handful of transitions and combos using the C-roll. The first is a hand balance to a C-roll. The upward arm motion pushes the hoop from one side to the other, since you can't really use your wrist to get momentum with a hand balance. Okay, the next is a C-roll into a palm spin reverse escalator. Here's the other side. Another could be a C-roll into a palm spin out to the side, to a chest roll. I mean, maybe we'll do all that and add an isolation then chest roll. Yeah, let's go with that. Oh, and another idea is a C-roll into a behind the back mandala. Hope you enjoyed. That's all I have for you in this video. Check out my other hula hoop tutorials linked below and on my hula hoop playlist. Okay, bye!